I don't have specific information on the 2022 Brabus GT900 ROCKET 1 of 10, as my knowledge only goes up until September 2021, and I do not have access to real-time data or updates on specific, limited production vehicles that may have been released after that date. However, I can provide some general information about what you might expect from a high-performance Brabus-tuned vehicle like the GT900 ROCKET based on my last knowledge update. Exterior. Aggressive styling. Brabus typically enhances the exterior of vehicles they modify, including more aerodynamic body kits, carbon fiber components, and distinctive Brabus badging. Custom wheels. Brabus often fits their vehicles with unique alloy wheels designed for performance and aesthetics. Custom paint. Owners of Brabus vehicles often have the option to choose custom paint colors and finishes to suit their preferences. Exhaust system. A distinctive feature of Brabus vehicles is their high-performance exhaust systems, which often produce a powerful and unique exhaust note. Interior. Premium materials. Brabus interiors often feature high-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber trim to enhance luxury and sportiness. Customization. Customers can typically customize the interior according to their preferences, choosing from various color schemes, stitching patterns, and materials. Brabus branding. Brabus logos and branding can be found throughout the interior, including on seats, floor mats, and instrument clusters. Advanced technology. Brabus may integrate advanced infotainment systems and technology upgrades into the interior, enhancing comfort and convenience. Sound. Engine note. The sound of the Brabus GT900 ROCKET's engine is likely to be a highlight. The vehicle may feature a modified exhaust system that produces a deep and aggressive exhaust note. Audio system. Brabus vehicles may come equipped with high-end audio systems from renowned brands, providing an immersive listening experience for occupants. Sound insulation. While the engine note is exhilarating, Brabus also focuses on cabin comfort. Sound insulation may be improved to reduce road and wind noise. Please note that the specific details of the 2022 Brabus GT900 ROCKET 1 of the 10th of May vary, and for the most accurate and up-to-date information, I recommend visiting the official Brabus website or contacting a Brabus dealership for details on this limited production model.